gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the wood is on the street, that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Because
Just jumped into the water and it is so cold. I couldn't feel my body for like 10 minutes.
Still can't even feel my fingers.
It's so cold. Can we jump?
Yes.
Yeah. Nala's loving life.
Where's that frisbee going?
Fuck, I fell in the water.
Oh, she loves sucking.
That's right. Luke's
Oh, Luke's
to
got
the
it.
rescue. Come on,
So we would
just...
Oh, what the heck's happened to this? Come on, girl. Alright, so we're going to go find some new beaches and launch the jet ski from and see if we can get some squid.
Yeah, I want a huge squid feed.
Try and get some fish or something. Let's go. So yeah, let's go check out some new beaches and should be sweet. I'm going to go take the ski out now, maybe. Oh, actually we're going to go find some ground and see what the beach is like, see if it's good to launch a ski off or not. But if not, we'll probably come back here. That's good ground to launch a ski from. Pretty soft? Huh?
What you got? What's that? It's a bit chilly.
Out here in the ski. Nala's on the ski for the first time.
you
heading down to their local jetty to see if we can catch some squid. Try our luck anyway.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll catch them.
It's gonna be pretty nice. We caught some fish earlier when we had that. That was bloody beautiful. But nothing beats some good squid rings. We had some at the local cafe today, so it's just like gave us some inspiration to get our own, which is pretty cool. But we'll see how we go.
Wish us luck. Good girl.
You haven't done it now?
The whole time I wasn't recording.
Oh, Luke's got one.
No way. Where's she?
Water.
Hold on. Biggest stinger I've ever seen in my whole life.
That's a little one.
Little?
Yeah. Fucking. Oh, this little one. Better on the big one. Whoa. That is sick, man. Make sure you leave a comment, like and subscribe to see more. Make sure you give it a like because it really helps us out. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Bye.
Yeah.